Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to open an account on challengefortrading.com. Let's get started and make this process simple and quick. First, visit challengefortrading.com. On the home page, you'll see a sign up button at the top right corner. Click on it to begin the registration process. A registration form will appear. Fill in your personal details like your name, email address, and create a strong password. Make sure to double-check your information, as it will be important for when you will start a challenge. Once you have filled the form, click on the Register button. After completing your registration, you will be redirected to the Challenges page where you will be able to choose your challenge. Congratulations, you're now all set to explore and start your challenges on challengefortrading.com. You can now watch a video on which challenge you should choose, or start your first trading lesson. Good luck! We are eager to see you become a successful trader. And as always, see you on challengefortrading.com.